Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the maximal love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today we want to share with you one that's normally say shall never end. See, today we saw a video where someone was saying that Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, the deputy prime minister, gave money to Caterpillar, and Caterpillar ran away with the money. And people were like dropping some things on my comment section saying, "Oh, progress the analyst, are you aware of this news? Are you aware that something like this happened? What is going on?" Me, I don't even know. I don't have idea about that issue. So I was really happy today when the defense minister and someone also brought the question and asked the question that does this thing happen? See, I don't really want to talk too much. I want to follow up the program to the very end and see and hear everything that happened with yourself. And I'll be right back.
I have a question to one question for our defense minister. It's about a caterpillar because I heard Caterpillar is back for
Excuse me, Honorable Ada. We don't want to mention anybody's particular name. And related to that, that question has been answered earlier on. If you have another question, please go ahead and ask. Don't take us back to that question. Thank you.
I haven't heard somebody ask this question. I'm here
They
since.
a- they asked about, and like I said, we don't bring anybody's name here. That's what I'm saying. He answered
Okay,
that
let
question
me
generally.
Don't shut her down. Don't shut her down. That's a very important question. It's a
I'm
very
not
Secretary,
sure.
important
I'm
question.
not
Don't
sure.
shut her down,
No,
please.
I'm not
sec,
shutting her down. We don't
sec,
come here with
secretary,
we don't call anybody name here. This is
Secretary
faith.
of Secretary of Information, please allow her. Bring the
This is
question
faith.
again. Please allow her, please. Go ahead. Answer your question.
thank you very much.
Ask your question.
Thank you very much. It's about caterpillar because I heard the caterpillar has back. You people call caterpillar back. And up to today, I heard that the money you people give Caterpillar to take buy goods, up till now, nowhere to find Caterpillar. He haven't delivered the goods, and he haven't reached up to the individuals that is supposed to deliver the goods. Up to it's over getting to 2 weeks now. So I want to know the reason why you people blame Caterpillar that kill all our people black about it. He destroyed everything that we need, which every Biafrans know about it. So that is my question. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for the question. So I mean, I don't know the person that is feeding you this kind of information. So all I can tell you that is a lie.
You see,
This is just a pure lie. So
you
nobody
see.
has brought Caterpillar. Well, say his name is
Oh my
Caterpillar.
God.
I don't call anybody's name here. So nobody has brought anybody Caterpillar into the government.
You
Okay.
see.
So that's all I can tell you. As far as uh, buying material for the government that has not been delivered, I never heard of that one. Thank you.
Okay.
I don't know if you had anything to add to
Um,
this.
Defense Secretary,
Yes.
please, can I help you in that?
Go ahead. Oh,
You
go
know,
ahead. Go ahead.
thank you very much. Biafrans, for those who care, for those who have ears, let them hear. Here in defense, we face the business of defense. Here in Biafra, we face the business of Biafran people. That includes life and property. We addressed this thing earlier when we said people in media, sometimes you do more harm than good. When you hear something, information that you are not sure, you don't come to public and begin to cause problems here and there. Even when you are not sure about the information that you are spreading. I think for all people who support this government, they will do the government and Biafran people a favor by coming first of all to verify whatever information that they have before coming out to the media. Because we know that a lot of people care about the money they will make from media when they sell some information. That is not fair when it comes to the Biafra defense. You must understand that defense is not village meeting and it is not going to church. We are not here in the church. We are here in the business that has to do with lives and the defense of life.
Smart people.
So we ask for people who are peddling rumors that are unfounded to desist going forward.
I will bring
First,
the proof.
inquire and inquire and inquire. I
I
have
will
heard
bring
the
the proof.
individual whose name you mentioned,
I will bring the proof.
and you just sold information that never happened. I don't know how you got the information, but Biafrans, I'm telling you that information that you are hearing from Honorable Ada Diorama is false.
Which is a
And I
good
know that
person is
the same
lying.
individual had been spreading it
Which is a
and
good
even
person
fighting
is
over it.
lying.
Please, we don't want that in the defense.
Okay.
The only way to help Biafra is to reduce the toxic information that you dish out to the public. That will help us to defend Biafra better. And even fighting over it, please, we don't want that in the defense. The only way to help Biafra is to reduce the toxic information that you dish out to the public. That will help us to defend Biafra better. And to Biafrans who hear these things, it is good to you to apply very good discernment. For those who cannot discern, it is better to ask your friends, those who know better, how to use information. Thank you, and may God continue to lead Biafra and lead all the information that is coming to Biafra so that we don't make mistake. Thanks.
Thank you so much, Deputy Defense. But I want to say this to whoever that was shouting at me. I only let that question go because the Deputy Defense Secretary, who is a cabinet member, obliged to answer that question. As the Information Minister, it is my duty not to create an atmosphere that is hostile to our people. We are not here for Mona meeting. We are not here for nepotism. We are not here for friendship. This is war. We are here. The defense, the meaning of defense is about your security. It's not about my party. This is not any community association. This is USB. So when we are here, we come here for serious business. You can shout all you can. Had it been that the deputy defense minister did not ask me to let go, I will not let that question fly. I am not intimidated, and you cannot do that. I respect,
Thank you
yeah,
for obliging
thank you.
me, please.
Thank you. I
Thank
respect
you.
everyone, but don't come here as if we're in primary school where we have to defend our friend. We are all Biafrans. It's our people that are being killed. Nobody is more important than anybody. Okay? And not all that call my friends are really true friends. Because some of us don't talk, doesn't mean we don't know what is happening. Because some of us don't talk, doesn't mean that we hate Biafrans. We stay back and try to fix the problem. We need the money to support Biafra, not coming here or shouting everywhere, creating commotion, making the atmosphere very hostile for our people. I'm information. My phone rings all the time with messages and everything. So when I speak here, I speak as one of you who is not getting enough sleep because of people calling with a lot of trash that is being said outside there. So don't come here next time to challenge me to allow so to speak and all that. This is, we are fighting war. This is not our Umuna association. Thank you so much. Mazuko, take the next person.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Can I
you.
add a little bit, please, just to second what the information secretary said, please? It is good that this question that Adada Rama brought in here has been laid to rest. Now it is time for Biafrans to focus. It has been treated and has been laid to rest. Thank you so much. Over to you, Honorable Go.
Thank, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, we see Happy Man, unmute yourself and ask your question.
I want to thank you, Ugo 247, for the opportunity to speak. I thank you, my leaders, the people we have sent out to work for us. I feel that we should learn to trust them and have a reason not to trust them before we can say, oh, they are not doing what we ask.
And that is why the law of self-defense was promulgated, to sensitize our people about the importance of self-defense. That is the only reason. For those who were condemning it and shouting, asking questions the day this law was passed. I saw it and I saw those people and I was questioning myself, if we do not self-defend ourselves or self-defend ourselves, what do they want us to do? To just sit idly by and watch these invading marauders to come to our houses while we can do something, we just keep quiet.
Minister. Well, you see, my question is, I just have two questions I want to ask. Firstly, it's about I watched a video when on the Adadio Rama page, something like she was um playing a video where our BLA were drinking Gary or something like that. I don't know how she get those videos, but she's not in the defense. At least she need to forward it to the defense department. Nothing have been said about this. These are sensitive things. Number two is during this massacre in Hamufu and other places, like things were happening, we couldn't hear from the defense department. Like even if we noticed that the page was hacked, but at least they can create another one fast and and inform people on what is going on. Even as we have such things before in the Hamufu. That is my question. Thank you.
Thank, thank you very much. So, well,
Defense Secretary, I can take the question about the Gary because as information minister.
okay.
That incident for the caller, I don't know when you listened to that incident, even when she was reporting that incident, to the best of my knowledge, she said in the past. So if it's in the past, let's leave it in the past. You can go and verify. But if she said it's happening now, please send me an inbox. To the best of my knowledge, I listened to her program during that time. She said it was in the past. And again, I wouldn't want us to be mentioning people's name here. Please, let's just try not to. Thank you. So, Secretary of Defense, can go ahead with the other question. Thank you.
Sorry. Please, hold on, please. The person that asked this question, that video actually was a video of 2021 when the when we were going through battle war with what do you call them, the Shinas and Woru, and there were a lot of problems. There were a lot of those videos where people were crying, begging along the road. They
Hey,
even
who
called me
got
some
too
of them.
far
So we have a
coming?
lot of those
Now one
videos.
for
Some of them
you.
might start
Yeah.
springing up now. Just like somebody that went and used old video of last year, telling people that our prime minister has been charged with terrorism. So it doesn't matter what you hear. That is why we have information. You can always come and verify if this is true. That video was an old video. That's just the simple truth. So let us not even go there. Thank you.
I'm using this opportunity now to beg. I'm using the word beg. Anything you don't hear from David Harbour channel, we'll go 247, and some of our brothers supporting the United States of Biafra. Anything you don't read from my page, anything you don't read from the DPM page or the cabinet members page, disregard that information. If you are in doubt, I am your Secretary of Information. Inbox me. My Twitter handle, message box is open to everyone. I respond to questions. And if I don't know the answer, I go to the right department and get it and give you. People can testify to that. This is what I do. So please, going forward, if you believe on entertainment broadcast, go there and enjoy it. And when you enjoy it there, please ask all your questions there. Don't bring it to where you did not hear it from. We don't go that. That's not the way we do things. Wherever you get your information, if you want to verify something, inbox me and tell me who said that, so that I know I will know how to respond. It's quite unfortunate that some of our people You don't believe in facts. You don't go to channels that will tell you what you need to know or to educate you about this freedom. You believe in a place that is so sensational, where you want to hear what you want to hear. But the place you want to hear what you need to hear, you don't go there. And I'm not going to tell anyone what choice to make in terms of your own choice of entertainment. That's what I call it. But what we do not encourage is to always putting the government in a not friendly light to the world. We are in a government. Again, I'm reinstating this again. This is not community associations. This is not umuna. We don't do nepotism here. We don't do sisterhood here. Not at all. Rather, we do colleague, people you run the same race with. That's what we do. We don't do we come from the same town. We don't do that we share the same blood. We don't do that. And we don't want anyone to portray that image. Master Simon Ekpa, His Excellency, you saw when everybody was asking, where is he from? Some people, they gave him so many, I would say, ethnicity attachment to his name. He never came out and say, I'm from here, I'm from here. And this United States of Biafra is not going to be different from that. We have protocols we follow. Every Biafran is a brother. As far as we are fighting a just cause, we do not do nepotism. That's what killed Nigeria. If you are from my village, you do the wrong thing, I'll support you. If that person is from another village and doing the right thing, you will never see it that way. That is not welcome in the United States of Biafra. We are all the same. We are fighting the same war. We belong to the society, and the society we belong to is Biafra agitation to go back home. That's the only bond that binds all of us. Nothing more, nothing less. Anything you want to hear from the government. Again, I am your Secretary of Information, and you all know where to go. Ask me the question. I will answer you to the best of my knowledge. I'm not someone that claims to know everything. I don't. The one I don't know, I know where to go and get that answer and give you. I'm using this opportunity to thank each and every one of you. Thank you so much for honoring this space today. We appreciate each and every one of you. For those that still want to believe what you believe in, it is your right, but that's not what USB is out here to do. We are here to help. On a final note, giving ideas is good. Giving your services is good too, or is better, but giving your money is the best. Donate so that we can do all these things. Donate so we can buy the drone. Donate so that we can do all these ideas. Without money, these ideas will not fly. We can talk all we talk, but we need to walk the walk. Please ask your friends, stop saying things that demoralize people on social media. Stop creating high blood pressure for our aged parents. My phone is full. I beg each and every one of you, spread the love, not the hate. And if anyone makes mistake, forgive them. That's what it is. But this United States of Biafra is not a monastery. Is not where Reverend Federal Seminary is not. We are here to do the right thing. Thank you so much, all of you. See you next time. This is Dr. Aggie signing off here. Thank you so much.
Opportunity where nobody now this evening. I'm na some people nearby and I say, why ada why onwere onye na-asị m ada ihe ekwu okwu n'anya ya na-azụ ahịa egusi because this is situation was something in social media. People say that na mụ nwa ada ndị mbụ na ndị egede na-atụ asị and ekwa na mma na na-ekwu eziokwu. This is the moment for me to prove my innocence. Mana na m na-atụ asị ka m na-ekwu eziokwu. No na public and this issue and this is the opportunity because no put amụnwa mkpọrọ ya sị ya bịa na o kwesịrị ịbịa ya bịa ọnwụ na ihe nkwuru nwe eziokwu ụlọ asị na ọ bịago and ọnwụ na m ajụ ha ajụjụ a echi niile asị ọkwa bịara live why you didn't talk ọkwa bịara live why you ịbịazighị Ugotu first na ebidozie ada ndị bụ na ndị na atụ asị day before yesterday April mere program here ebe ife Ugotu 47 kwuru ọ gwara ụnụ na Caterpillar bịara n'ọgụ n'Enugu State. No, I want to log in Enugu State. I still have the video. And when we keep play tomorrow. Who is lying now? I can never lie to Biafra. I can never even get by lying. And the talk can prove all the evidence. tell the truth. Oh yeah, believe him. Even you can continue going and all go up to God go obvious. Everybody will know about it. So when everybody know about it, yeah, make work. And everybody go it's like not a challenge. Okay, now second I talk. I need to talk. I need to defend myself. I need to prove Biafrans that I am open. And don't want to continue with the same voice messages. We never just enter because and when me kill lie, and when me kill to sniff my amaro, because I want to find a mail for my come break.
So my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do to like the video, share and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, and I will keep updating you on all the latest happening. Thank you and bye for now.